not just me.
All right, Blue Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, yep, I got some thumbs up. All right, let's start match number 4 in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, autonomous mode is always exciting. See what these teams have done with their robots here. Oh, we got both of the foundations being delivered to the work sites. Very good work. And ooh, both of Blue Alliance's teams appeared to be parked under their sky bridge due to a very nice little engineering feat there by Team 4992. 2 sky blocks delivered. Very impressive autonomous mode on both sides there. All right, it is teleop time. We got robots on both sides collecting those stones and delivering them to the build site. Oh, looks like a very close match here. That looked like teamwork, but I don't think they were on the same team there. Once again, this looks like a very close match. Both teams seem to be delivering stones very well, collecting them from their depots, bringing them over to their build site, and delivering to the foundations. Got 55 seconds left, what looks to be a very close match. Once again, this one's too close to call. Both teams doing very well and some nice teamwork on both sides as well. All right, we're entering endgame. That's endgame, where teams are going to be removing the foundations from their build sites and then trying to park in that build site. Now, parking means that any part of the robot has to cross the line of that build site. Looks like Blue Alliance, and that is the end of match number 4. Good job, Red Alliance, and good job, Blue Alliance. This looks like this is going to be a close match. Let's wait for the final scores, see what the refs have decided.